Hey guys, Cameron here. So I wanted to take a minute today and show some footage that I took using the Canon power adapter Pz-e1 assisted zoom. Now if you're like me, you likely got this in a video creator kit package from Canon, and personally this sat in my bag for several months and through several shoots, and I finally pulled it out recently to see what I could do with it, and I'm actually pretty impressed, and I see a home for this in my arsenal now. Now, a few things about the clips you're about to watch. They're all shot in 60 frames a second. And what I'm going to show you is one clip shot in 60 frames per second, played back at 60 frames per second, and then right after that I'm going to show you the same exact footage slowed down to 30 frames per second. So this will be slow motion footage. Now, a word about that, that's where I believe that this thing shines. Another word about the footage, it's all shot in slow mode. So all the footage you're about to see was shot in slow mode. So, that being said, let's just hop into the footage. So a few final thoughts. Like I said, this actually sat in my bag for several months without even using it. Now, I was just on a big road trip and I was on the home stretch and I was going through my bag looking at lenses, and I had my 18 through 135 ISM Nano USM lens that came with the camera on, and I thought, hey, let me break this thing out and give it a shot. So, you know, if you're watching this video and you have the video creator kit, you know it comes with the Canon 80D, which touts a very, very impressive autofocus system. So I'll put this thing on, and the very first shot you saw in the sequence was the very first shot that I took with the power zoom adapter, and I was actually blown away. I'm going to do a video with some more creative shots and try to really max out the capability of this little device, but for right now I just wanted to throw a few quick clips on YouTube, because when I first got this device, the first thing I did was get on YouTube to see how other people were using it, to see what it was capable of, and it still sat in my bag for months. So if you have one of these guys, I highly encourage you break it out, you find out how you can make it work for you, and I'd love to know what kind of shots you're able to pull off with it. If there was one takeaway from the video, one tip, it would be I recommend you shoot in 60 frames per second, because where I think this is going to shine is slowing down 60 frame per second footage to 30 frames per second footage, so it really smooths out the zoom and it lengthens your shots and you get that nice slow motion effect. So that's all for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.